Is that the magnetron that's super dangerous? Alright, we have a unique item here today. It's a microwave oven magnetron. You know, those things that everyone in every microwave destruction video ever made tells you to watch out for because they have beryllium in them. This one has aluminum in it. You know, everyone's always saying that you gotta treat these things with respect and that they're so dangerous. No, I hit it. Dangerous. Oh, okay, that's pink, so all the magnets. And then there's a little pink right there, which I think is beryllium, but I don't fucking know. But just to be safe, I'm gonna just tuck these outside.